Home Remedies presents
Clear your lungs and stop coughing in 3 days. Home remedy for bronchitis. About the ingredients. Banana. Bananas are rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C, making them great for strengthening the immune system. They also help soothe and ease throat pain. Honey. Honey is known for its healing benefits. It can help soothe throat pain because it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects, making it a good remedy for sore throats and coughs. Water. Staying hydrated is very important, especially when you have a cough or bronchitis. Drinking water helps to thin out mucus in the lungs, making it easier to get rid of. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Here's how to make the remedy. Ingredients: 1 fully ripened banana, 1 tablespoon of unprocessed honey, half cup of lukewarm water. Steps: begin by peeling the banana and slicing it. Transfer banana slices to a blender. Incorporate a tablespoon of honey. Add the lukewarm water. Blend until the mixture achieves a smooth consistency. Transfer the blend into a mug. For best results, drink this wholesome concoction once or twice daily, ideally in the morning and before bedtime. To mitigate cough and bronchitis symptoms, you can personalize sweetness by adjusting the honey quantity. Opt for a well-ripened banana, ensuring a smoother blend and milder flavor. Remember, while this remedy can offer relief, if symptoms persist or intensify, it is essential to seek medical advice.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.